And we are live. We may have the last interview of the day. We may not. I don't know. The team has been the last. We saved the best for last. Exactly. One of my favorite speakers all day, as a matter of fact. Anyway, the guy's been setting all these appointments for us, and then some of them are coming. It's late, and some of them are like, "Oh, screw it, we'll catch them up tomorrow." And some of them we already interviewed. But we're here at World CryptoCon, the biggest, baddest crypto conference to ever come to Las Vegas, having a blast. We ran the stage all day. Met some, really, really great people. I have with me here Dirk Lueth, his PhD. He's the co-founder of Upland Me. So tell me a little bit about Upland Me and what brought you here to the biggest, baddest crypto conference.
Yeah, that's a good. Actually, what brought me here is I was listening to the Bad Crypto podcast and they were speaking about it. So that's how it is.
Nice.
That's here, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So, but long story short, so Upland is a game, a very popular, like the board game, which you probably have heard of, a property trading game, which I cannot really speak out.
Okay.
But you can imagine which one it is. And basically the idea is, you buy, trade, and sell virtual property, which are based on real-world addresses. So the idea is, when you let's say you live in San Francisco, you can buy 234 Post Street again. We put that on the blockchain as a called non-fungible token. Once you own that property, you start earning UPEX on it. That is our in-game cryptocurrency. So that's the first level. And then it goes on, because we're gamifying everything, is that you can actually start collecting multiple properties, meaning, let's say, collect 3 bars. That's what we call the nightlife collection, and then you actually accelerate your earnings on those properties. What's quite novel, what we do is we do fiat in, i.e. dollars, or soon also euros and other currencies. And also we're planning in the early next year to offer fiat out again, right? So which is a very novel, which hasn't been done in such a way nowhere, right? So we're going to be really first ones of doing that. When of course regulatory clearance is what we need. Yeah. So that's a thing. The way we position it is we really want to be, the first mass market application. That's our big dream. That's also at the same time our mission. And what we're doing is that we are making it super simple to sign on, right? It's not that you have to deal with, crypto wallets and private keys and whatever, right? It's very super simple. All you do, you just use your login and password. And you actually all of a sudden you are in the crypto world, even though maybe you even don't know what Bitcoin is as such, right?
Wow.
So that's and we have a couple of other innovations built into the product.
So that is really cool. I mean, it's a lot to unpack. I went ahead and let you talk because it was a lot, but it was really great. So you have this platform. You're basically a virtual world. You're selling the virtual real estate. I mean, guys, it doesn't get much sexier than this. It's non-fungible tokens.
Exactly. Fungible token with our own currency.
With your own currency. You're onboarding with fiat. Tell me how you're onboarding with fiat.
So, super simple, right? I mean, the fiat is very much, you can buy UPEX tokens in our store,
okay,
right? And then it asks you either for your credit card or PayPal. That's a very standard thing.
How? And so, how are you doing that? I mean, how is your credit card provider okay with that?
They were okay with that. Yeah, they know explicitly, right? Because we were all in game, and they're just buying the tokens from us. And they know that our game currency is currently only within the game, right? It's not tradable.
Okay, yeah. So this is because you are able to buy. I know what was it, 9 Lives or not 9 Lives, but
Second Life.
Second Life. You can buy that with credit cards, stuff like that. So that's really interesting.
Yeah.
And then and so how long have you been at it?
So we started roughly a year ago, right? And we're building it on the so-called EOS blockchain. So we're funded also by the EOS VC.
Nice.
And we're a global team, and we keep on building. And our plan is to go open beta. We're currently in closed beta, and we're planning on going open beta at the end of this year, and then launching apps, like for the stores and so on. And we'll also have a lot of other features which are coming. Like when you take your phone, you walk around in the city, and you find UPEX on the streets. You can do things.
Right.
So there's a lot of fun things coming.
Augmented reality type
exactly.
app. Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually the next level. Good that you mentioned it, right? So what we are doing is that you will be able to built on top of your property, right? And then you can. Our big vision is that we create some completely open economy, which is decentralized, that people can erect maybe virtual stores with augmented reality, virtual reality, what have you, and then can trade things in between them, right? So we're not sitting in the middle there, right? It's really for decentralized execution here.
It is so cool. So where are you based out of?
We're based in Silicon Valley.
Okay. Yeah. And where are you from originally?
I cannot hide my accent, right?
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with that.
I'm originally from Germany.
Okay. Yeah. All right, cool. Yeah, so we were just over in Austria. Our last Washington Elite Summit was actually in Schönbrunn Palace.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I met
it's a nice place,
it was so nice, right? I met the Prince of Austria,
really?
Sander Habsburg, months ago. I had no idea who he was, and he wanted to do an agreement to do philanthropic work using the blockchain. So I have a standing agreement with the Prince of Austria.
That's something.
Thank you. Yeah, and so he wanted me to come to his dinner, and so I thought, well, shit, man. I mean, shoot, if I'm gonna spend 20 grand or 10 grand on bringing me and the team over, why don't we do a summit right in front of it? And so that's what we did. We did a summit right in front of his dinner. The Prince of Monaco was there.
I think I heard about that one. Yeah. That went through the...
It went through the chains. It was pretty cool. So the Miami, we're going to do, I have the Versace mansion for the VIP. I mean, it's hard to top the Hofburg, which is where the VIP was. But anyway.
It's the old aristocrats and the new ones.
And the new ones, right? So now tell me, all right. Can somebody take my house and
sell it?
Yeah.
Yes. And buy it. So of course you have
so
to
it's just totally another world. I mean, that's it. And it's like a .com. It's like the .com rush.
Well, it's like a new virtual layer, right?
Right.
And so you can build on it. Yeah, that's
well, I like that, actually. That's more realistic. Of course you can. And so you have a bit of a gold rush.
Well, at the end of the day, yeah, sure, because the world is scarce, right? We don't only have one property once, right? And each property once. And what's really interesting, we were example in Asia also, right, where people, let's say in Hong Kong, they just cannot afford buying a property anymore, right? And people just love it that they can start buying something again and building something. They can buy something in the US or whatever, right? So it's really
well, that's funny, man. China's gonna buy everything, folks. You better hurry up and buy it. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. So that is really cool. So all right, just walk me through it. We don't have a whole lot of time, but so I want to buy my house.
Yeah.
So what do I do?
So what you basically do, so right now we're just launching in San Francisco. I suppose you're not living in San Francisco.
No, I'm DC.
DC.
Washington.
Well, anyway,
let's
assume you would be in San Francisco.
I'm in San Francisco.
But we're launching other cities soon, right?
Yeah.
Also, and the way it works is you just go into the Upland app, right? And then it's a map, like what you used to, like in Google Maps, right? You zoom in, zoom all the way down to where your property is, right? And actually, we already carved out your property borders. You click on it. And then when it's not gone, it's green. Then you can still buy it. When somebody else bought it, has a dark green, or it's gray when somebody's not actually selling it, right? You can make actually offers also, right? So it depends if your property is still available or not. And that's when you buy it. And it's pretty straightforward. You click on it, and then you sent to the store, and then you can buy it for fiat.
And you buy it for fiat. Well, that is so cool. So it's Dirk, and I dropped the car here. Yeah. I always like to hold it so I don't mess anything up.
That's the llama, right? That's our hero. You will see that many times. Yeah.
Very cool, very cool. So it's Dirk Lueth. He's the co-founder of Upland Me. What's the website, social media? How do you find it?
So it's www.upland.me, M-E at the end, right? That's where you're going to go.
Twitter?
All the normal.
It's
Upland,
all on the website, guys.
Upland Me. It's Upland is also a city in Los Angeles, or part of the city.
So
right?
Upland Me.
Yeah, Upland Me is where we go.
Thanks so much for coming on.
All right, thank you.
Yeah,
all right, thank you.
it.
All right,
see you soon.
All right, see you.